Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss the computer applications subject in that MS PowerPoint subject. In a BCom third semester, you are having MS PowerPoint, MS Office component it is. This unit is there. Today we are going to start the MS PowerPoint application program. Already you are studying MS Word application program, which is component of Microsoft Office 2007. The MS PowerPoint is also the component of MS Office 2007. Now, introduction to MS PowerPoint. In this, you are going to study the uses and usage of MS PowerPoint and knowing about MS PowerPoint window environment. Here, MS PowerPoint is a presentation software which is especially used to design or create a presentations for giving any seminars or any demo lecturing classes. For that you can use MS PowerPoint. Through this application program, you can create attractive presentations or seminars by inserting different kinds of multimedia options, like you can insert images, pictures, charts, graphical objects, audio video files also in a presentation, and you can make more attractive the seminar slides through this MS PowerPoint application program. From this session, we will be knowing the basic functionalities offered by the MS PowerPoint and identify the various options available in a tab. Here, application program. What is application program? Already you know this concept. You are learning now MS Word. MS Word is also application program, and MS PowerPoint is also application program. This software gives benefits to end users. It is especially designed for end users' benefits. Here one term you will come across, that is template. It is a pre-made design framework slides template. Already it is designed by the designers. Just you have to implement those templates in your presentation. Now, introduction to MS PowerPoint. MS PowerPoint is one of the application program from MS Office package. It is one component of MS Office package, and it is a presentation software created by Microsoft which allows the user to create multimedia rich slides to present the information. And the file extension of MS PowerPoint is .pptx. What is the file extension of MS Word? It is .docx. And MS PowerPoint file presentation is extension is .pptx. How to open a MS PowerPoint file? Okay, these are the steps to open MS PowerPoint file. First, click Start button, point to all programs, and you can click on Microsoft Office, and you can click Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007 option. It opens Microsoft Office window for you. Or you can double click on PowerPoint icon which is kept on the desktop. These are the two methods from which you can open MS PowerPoint window. Creating a presentation. When you start PowerPoint 2007, a new blank presentation opens. If you start with a blank presentation, you can choose a theme, a background color for the slides and fonts, and you can fashion your own slide layouts. Like when you open presentation, automatically the file blank presentation you can open. These are the main different methods which are there for creating a new presentation. Here first one is blank and recent. It is blank, it is some spell mistake has done here, blank and recent. Second one, install templates. Third, install themes. Fourth one is my templates, and fifth one is new from existing. These are the different methods used to create a new presentation. And this is about your MS PowerPoint window. Here you are getting different components in Microsoft window. In this corner you are getting the Office button. This is Office button, first one is. Second, quick access toolbar. You will be having the different quick access toolbar options here. This one you can add the options or you can remove the option from this toolbar. Oftenly which options you are using, that you can keep here. Save, undo, redo options are there. Third is click to access tools and commands. Okay, this is there here. These are the different tabs here you are getting here. Fourth option is ribbon. In this you will be having commands and tools grouped by category onto different tabs. You will be having different tabs over here, and you are having different tools. Those are grouped by categories. Okay, next fifth one is slide and outline tabs. You are getting here slides and outline tabs. Sixth one is dialog box launcher. Click to open dialog boxes or task pans. Okay, you are having this option here. Seventh, lists and galleries. Click the down arrows to access list and galleries. Whenever you are getting like this down arrows, whenever you click on this, you are getting different lists. Okay, from that arrow mark. The next is presentation window. This is a presentation window. You can enter text and graphics here. This is by default, this slide will be displayed on the screen. Whichever slide layouts you require, you can add here. Okay, that one we are discussing next session. And next, this is notes pan. Related to this presentation, you can add notes here in this notes pan, like key points or important information. If you want to add, you can add the notes pan. Then next you are having status bar here, which displays information about the active presentation. You are getting here all the information about the active presentation. Then 11th one, view buttons used to switch between views. Different views you can see here, like slide sorter view is there, normal view is there, outline view is there. Like these kind of views you can see from 11th, view buttons and used to switch between views. That also you are studying in a next session. Next, zoom control is there. You can use to zoom in or out using this option. That option is there here. This is about your Microsoft PowerPoint window. These all options, your components you are getting in this Microsoft PowerPoint window. Totally 12 options are there. You will be studying in next session the detailed information about this. Just go through this window. Okay, these are components of Microsoft PowerPoint window. MS Office button contains the main file functions. New, open, save, save as, print, print preview, etc. is there. Quick, in this you are already this MS Office button you studied in MS Word also. Same options you are getting here in a Microsoft Office button. In Word also same options are there. In a presentation MS PowerPoint also same options you are going to study. Similar MS Office button is there. Like new means you can create a new file. Open means you can open existed PowerPoint file. Save the file. You can save PowerPoint presentation. Save as, if you want to give a different name for the created file or copy of a file, if you want to create, you can go for save as. Print, you can print the presentation slides. Print preview, you can view the slides before taking a printout. Okay, these options you are getting in a MS Office button. Next, quick access toolbar. Okay, it is already you have seen, it is on the screen. Contains shortcuts to save, undo and redo. You can oftenly used options you can put in a quick access toolbar. You can add those options or you can remove those options through this quick access toolbar. Next one is title bar. It is used to show the name of the presentation. Like it is used to show the name of the presentation. Like which presentation you are going to create, that name will be displayed on the screen in the title bar. Next one is ribbon. Horizontal stripe holding components, namely tabs, groups and commands. That is nothing but ribbon. Ribbon, the tabs are there, groups are there and commands, everything is there in a ribbon. It is horizontal stripe. It holds all the components. Okay. Next, components, outline and slides tab. Okay, here the slides tabs gives you a thumbnail view of all the slides in the presentation and allows to add, delete, rearrange the order. The outline tab gives textual content to the slides in an outline format. Outline, like all the, like in your presentation you are having 40 slides. If you want to rearrange, if you want to modify, if you want to edit or want to make it serially, that time you can use this outline and slides tab. Everything you can do there, addition, deletion, rearranging their order, removing that, everything you can do. Next one, view buttons. It lets you to switch between PowerPoint views. There are different views are there. Normal view is there. Outline view is there. Slide sorter view is there, that we are going to study in the next sessions. That you can change here using view button. Next components, presentation window. That is a workspace to create, edit or format slides. That is nothing but presentation window. That is one workspace you can create or edit or format the slides. Okay. Next, zoom allows you to get a close-up view of your file or zoom out to see more of the page at a reduced size. Zoom options already you have used in MS Word also. Same zoom option here also it is there. You can zoom the window up to 100%, 200%. You can make the, or you can reduce the size or you can increase the size of the window. Options you can see through the zoom. Next one is notes pan. You can add notes for yourself for each slide in your presentation. Like you can add important notes, like for what reason you created this slide, what is key points you can add in a notes pan that you can refer while explaining the slides. Next one is slide. What is slide here? Slide is a basic building block of a presentation. It is main building block of a presentation. When PowerPoint opens, there is only one slide in it. You can add slides depend on the requirement. By default, only one slide will be there in a presentation. This is a slide. Here, click add and begin typing to add text. These are the placeholders where you can add your text information. By clicking on that, you can type the text information. Here below that, click an icon to insert other content. Here you can insert graphics, charts, images, tables in this slide. This is the slide you can see in a PowerPoint presentation. This is tabs in MS PowerPoint. Which are the tabs which are there in a MS PowerPoint presentation? This is Home tab. You will be having here main options, formatting is there, editing is there, and layouts are there. Like you will be having cut, copy, format, painter options like clipboard, and you are having here new slide option. You can change the layout of the slide, reset, delete options are there, bold, italic, underline, font changing options are there. Everything is there in a Home tab. This is Home tab. Next one is Insert tab. In this Insert tab, you are having different shapes. You can insert tables, you can insert text, you can insert media clips through this Insert tab. This is your Insert tab. These options are there in a Insert tab. Next one is Design tab. Here Design tab, you are having themes, already predefined themes are there, background colors are there, arranging objectives are there in a Design tab. You can apply these themes, background colors, or you can arrange these objects in your PowerPoint presentation. And this is your Animation tab. Here in animation, you are having animations options like movement to, you can apply movement to slides or objects through this Animation tab. While creating the presentation, you can use these different tabs. Animation also you can apply for each and every slide. Next tab, Slideshow tab is there. In that, different options are there. Resolution, preview, custom, everything is there. That we'll be studying in detail in the next classes. But these tabs are there in a PowerPoint. Review tab is there. In that we are going to do spell checking, translate text, everything. Then View tab, it shows different views of a slide. Then Microsoft Office button is having these features, like you are having new option there, open, save as, print option is there, prepare is there, send, publish, close. These are there in a Microsoft Office button. Same Microsoft Office button you are having in MS Word also. In that also same options are there. If you study in that MS Word, no need to again discuss the same topic here. Everything you will be knowing in a MS Word features only. Same buttons you are getting here in MS PowerPoint also. Next, what are the uses of Microsoft PowerPoint? Already I told this is an application program. Easily you can create attractive presentations through MS PowerPoint application programs components. You can add the different multimedia components, charts, tables, pictures, images, audio, video files to your presentation for giving any seminars or for giving any demo lecturing classes. That you can use this same application program. This will be used in different sectors. It is especially like organize and structure your presentation. It is helpful for creating any PowerPoint. Like using this PowerPoint, you can make different tutorials. It can be used to create simple and complex presentations. To create self-running presentations also it will be useful. And you can animate your slides to give them a greater visual impact. And it is used as a photo slideshow also. Provide an illustrative backdrop for the content of presentation. It is used in many areas also. Who are the users of Microsoft PowerPoint? Many educational institutes are using this PowerPoint. Many multinational companies are using this. Organizations are using, government sectors are using, and also in medical sectors also this PowerPoint is used. Like it is used in different areas, different companies, different areas, different sectors also using MS PowerPoint presentation software. Some questions are here, like few questions I am asking here. The building block of PowerPoint presentation is, okay. Choose in this 4 options any one. Like which is the building block of PowerPoint presentation, and what is the file extension of Microsoft PowerPoint? Okay. Just give me the answer. Okay. First question answer will be slide here. Slide is a main building block of PowerPoint presentation, and for a second question answer will be .pptx. Okay. Next, for this Microsoft PowerPoint application program, you can refer these books from Curtis D. Frey, Step by Step MS Office 2007, or Vikas Gupta's Comdex Computer Course Kit, or in internet also you can search these options through this site www.support.microsoft.com, or else you can refer BCom 3rd SEM's computer application books which are there in a library. You can refer the information from this, and I will send PDF of this Microsoft PowerPoint notes, that you make one 200-page king size notebook for this, and you write MS Word also in that, and MS PowerPoint notes also. Everything you write in that notebook. Have a nice time. Next session we will discuss few more points of about Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you.